Hey guys, what's up? Today is gonna be an exciting day because I got some new gadgets. I don't know what it is with new gadgets. They're like super attractive and I don't think, well, maybe I need 80% of the gadgets that I buy, but 20% of the gadgets I really don't need. And this one is highly doubtful if I need it, but I can tell myself that I need it. And that's the category that this one fits in, because I can say I definitely need it. But in reality, do I? Do I really need it? I don't know. This is it. My new gadget. Oh, new camera. Oh. I was just getting excited and all of a sudden my DJI Osmo quit. So you guys are gonna have to make do with this. And that's mainly the reason that I wanted to have like a new camera, because I'm using this one on top, which is the Sony ZV-1, and I absolutely love it. I love it for vlogging, and I got the handy vlogging kit to go with it, like this little remote control. It works so well and just walk around, it's nimble, it's light. But then I decided I didn't like the point of view, like the wide angle of it. So I bought an extra lens to put on it, and it became wider, but the problem with it is that it makes the camera so much heavier. It's just ridiculous. And then I came to the point, well, this is not what I bought the CV1 for. I bought it to be nimble, I bought it to have it in my pocket. And when I want the beauty shots, I want something else. I want something really, really good. I want high quality. And that's why I researched and I found this. This is the Sony A7 Compact. It is so super light, so compact, but still a good crimpy thing. Except for these, like, that's gotta go. That's the first thing that's gonna go. But before we judge, we're gonna look at it. Hopefully we got some battery left in this thing so we can actually use it. Battery in, SD card, which one is the one that's recommended for this camera, of course. Oh, not a battery. No, it's a charger. And there's a whole lot more. Oh, it's just a, don't need that. More here. Cable. USB-C cable, normal cable, charging brick, and something nobody ever uses. Except for people that, well, basically tourists. But more important than the camera is the lens, because the camera does what cameras do, and it's not much of a difference between the CV1 on YouTube and the A7C, but there's a big price difference. And the big price difference comes from two things. It is a full frame sensor, and that might not mean a lot to you people, but full frame means a lot to me. We had a recording on that I became a TV chef, and we were recording later in the evening, and it was getting dark, and there was low light, and there was no low light performance in the CV1. So we had audio, but we didn't have vision. It was like the most terrible shot. While normally a camera like this, a full frame camera, would easily nail that shot. So that's why I got that. And then you can also add to these cameras the right lens. And maybe the right lens is even more important than the camera itself, because the lens is going to give you that beautiful final image. I'm so glad I vacuumed my workshop last week. There we go. Now we got it. And we got the flippy screen, which of course we really need. This feels good. I've just turned it on, but nothing happened. I got another battery for it. Maybe if I'm lucky. Like just a little charge. Like a super duper little charge. Otherwise I gotta go back to yard work again and charge this thing up. Yes! Just a little charge, all I needed. Thank you. Deutsch, Nederlands. Yes, very nice. I like Dutch. Enter Berlin, Paris. Yes, that's fine. Summertime. Ooh. We're good. Aperture 1.8. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I like you, Sony. Is it a good or what? Is that shallow depth of field? Did we get it? Nice shallow depth of field, nice look, wide angle. You feel like I'm not in your personal space anymore. Just let's do a little comparison. Do you guys see the difference in light and light tones and shallow depth? Oh, I like it. And then we're going to take this and take a closer look at the setup. So what I did was take this, the A7S. Like, that's the second time this happened. What's going on? This is the A7S, and I set it up with the Joby Gorilla Pod and the... Dude, did you see that? I just secured it. What's going on? I know, it's a Sony hack. They want me to get the Sony microphone. There's a Sony microphone that's supposed to fit on this. I got it really screwed down tight and I can't pull it back now. So let's hope it just sticks. But see, I can vlog like this. It's heavy, but I'm getting the real good quality of video that I'm looking for. And that's exceptional. That's what I want. That's what I need when I want to get a good vlog. I want to get good audio. I want everything to be good. It's a lot of money, but it's not really a lot of money because this is a lot of money. This is the Panasonic S1H, and this is what we use to film our YouTube videos, our barbecue YouTube videos over at pitmasterx.com or pitmasterx on YouTube. This is like the monster of making YouTube videos. It doesn't get any better than this. Canon doesn't have anything that can beat this. Sony doesn't have anything that can beat this. Put barbecue sauce on this, it will go, and that's what I love about this thing. But vlogging with this, it's totally impossible. This thing is so heavy, like it's ridiculous. I couldn't stretch my arm out even like this and hold it for 10 seconds. And there's one last camera that I absolutely love, and that's this one. It's the DJI Osmo Action. I can vlog on this camera. I can record for hours. I can do time lapses. I can set it anywhere I like and record anything I want for longer periods of time without having to look at it. If I'm making a time lapse, I'm just setting this down somewhere like whoop, and I just go do something else. Do POV properly. Casey Neistat said 6 years ago, put this thing in your mouth, but I don't know, I'm not digging the whole mouth thing. If this is what you have, this is what you use, and you're gonna make great content, because making great content is not about the type of camera that you use. It is about what you put in the video. I think that's it. I think I jibber-jabbered long enough about the cameras. I think you're just gonna have to watch the next vlog and just see what happens. See if the camera's any good, if we get better content. No, better image quality, not better content. What am I saying? Let's charge all of this up. Clean up! I'm so happy I vacuumed the workshop. Everything's clean. It's not even a dusty camera here. I'm gonna play around with this all the rest of the day. Oh yeah. Everybody's gonna be so annoyed. Woo! Hey, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.